side one stitch left. Go over again. It's not hard. Knit one and go again. Knit one, 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 go again. And knit one, go again. Knit one, square. Knit one, go again. Knit one, go again. Knit one, go again. Knit one, go again. I have only two stitches left. My last stitch. I have only one stitch left, and I'm going to cut this one. Cut here and pull it. This is bind off, and I'm going to hide this edge as well. And we are using tapestry needle. I have plastic one, and I put here, and I'm going to the wrong